Have you been thinking of purchasing a vacation rental property here in the Grand Strand, but notice that most options are outdated or seem to need a ton of work?
Don't get discouraged. Renovating an oceanfront condo is a great option and can help set your rental property apart from the others.
Back in 2013, we purchased and renovated our first condo here in the Myrtle Beach area. It was so bad that when we bought it, that Frank wouldn't even take off his shoes to walk around.
There was outdated furniture, popcorn ceilings, tiny outdated kitchen, smelly carpets, dirty Murphy beds.
And remember the bathroom had like 3 terrible tiny mirrors, weird lighting, a water heater behind this piece of wood that was screwed underneath the vanity area.
There were so many things we wanted to change, but the location of the condo was so convenient to everything, and it had amazing ocean views from inside the unit and the oceanfront balcony, and it was a larger end unit so we could see past all the cosmetic issues.
So the design plan was to remove the wall from the kitchen to the great room to open it up, and also to remove the Murphy bed and extend that wall out to add a washer and dryer. And we moved the water heater out of the bathroom, flipped it into our new laundry closet, and changed it to a tankless version.
We brought the kitchen further down, which allowed us to add the dishwasher and much needed pantry cabinet.
And all of the doors throughout the whole condo were changed, along with the old wooden front door, which was changed to a steel door. And we also changed the swing of the back screen porch door to make it an actual usable space.
The bathroom tub was removed and replaced with a tiled shower. And we purchased a pre-made vanity with granite top, which made it easy as it was a small space.
Of course, all of that old carpet and tile had to go. We removed it and replaced it with the same tile throughout the condo.
Now, this renovation was so long ago, but we wanted to give you an idea of where we started. At that time, we were living in Charlotte and knew no one in Myrtle Beach. We figured it out along the way, and through the process, fell in love with the area and decided to make the move to Myrtle Beach.
After all these years, we still have this original short-term rental property, and we knew that we wanted to get more, but we had our son Hudson shortly after moving here. And with our real estate business and a young child, the timing was just never felt right.
However, we have purchased and remodeled 2 more oceanfront properties in the last 2 years and want to share the experience of redoing these condos with you.
So in upcoming videos, we're going to be taking you through the renovation process in greater detail and giving tips and tricks along the way.
If you are interested in purchasing your piece of the oceanfront, call us today. We would love to help.
And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss these upcoming oceanfront renovation videos, along with our other helpful weekly videos.